Good evening, myself and Rishan.
Myself Jaydevi.
Both of us studying at grade 8 from Sri Krish International School.
Today we have come to present our project at the Codeavour 5.0 project presentation, which is going to be held at Dubai.
The problem statement is water pollution. Water pollution creates a major threat to our society and ecosystem. This robot is a solution to that water pollution. It controls and collects the garbage from the water and prevents water pollution. We mainly focus on 4 SDGs. SDG 3, good health and well-being. SDG 6, the clean water and sanitization. SDG 7, affordable and clean energy. And SDG 14, life underwater.
Lake monitoring boat offers a proactive out to combat against water pollution. By deploying this boat in polluted water bodies, it can remove all the pollutants, thus helping marine life, biodiversity to be safe, and also to ensure that human health is good. So now I am going to be explaining the hardware components. We have used 2 microcontrollers. One is Arduino Uno and another one is Arduino Nano board. Arduino Uno, we have used it to connect with the sensors and also to operate our conveyor belts, and we have used another microcontroller, Arduino Nano board, just to control movement of the board. Now I am going to be demonstrating how the sensors will work. So here we have used a pH sensor. Now I am going to be keeping this pH sensor in a neutral. So here you can see it is going to be seen as 7. The value of pH for a neutral water is 7. And now I am going to be adding a basic solution, which is sand water. Now as you can see, the pH level is above 7, which means the solution is basic. Now let's try it out with lemon juice, which is acidic. As you can see here, the value is 3. So it means that it is acidic. Now we will be checking the turbidity sensor. Turbidity sensor works by the principle of light. So if we add turbidity sensor inside dirty water, here we can see the value as 228. But whereas if we add water in a clean solution, the value will be differing. See here, now the turbidity value is 4. Now let's check it out with TDS sensor. TDS sensor works based on the principle of water conductivity. So if we add TDS sensor in a clean water, it will show non-polluted water and the TDS value is 43 ppm. Whereas if we show sand solution to the TDS sensor, it will be showing polluted water because the TDS of this is 377 ppm.
We have used the technology for the movement of the boat, which is known as RF. RF stands for radio frequency. This is the RF transmitter and this is the RF receiver. Now I will show you how it works. When we move the throttle up, the boat's motors move forward. When we move the throttle downward, the boat's motor move backward. When we move the throttle right, the right motor, which is this one, moves backward and the left motor moves forward. When we move the throttle leftward, this motor, the right motor moves backward and the left motor moves forward.
So by deploying this boat in water bodies, it can ensure how the water is. For example, it can show if the water is polluted or non-polluted by the sensors which we have added, and can also clear pollutants from water bodies using this conveyor belt. It is very useful to preserve marine life, biodiversity, and also our human health. Thank you.